Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how you can get paid up to $42 per video by writing captures right at home. So you need no experience guys for this, and I'm give you all the details right on this video. But I don't know where you are in your life right now guys, but if you came to this video, you're probably looking for a way to make money online and how to work from home as well. That's what I talk about doing on my channel guys. And if you subscribe now, what I'll do, and I will send you a notification whenever I came out with a new video. That's the way you guys won't miss anything. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate a full-time passive income online right from working at home, so I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to do it step by step. So if you want to learn more, click the first link in the description and let's get started. Alright, so let's jump into this video. So guys, what is captioning? Captioning is a text version of the spoken part of the television show, those movies and computer presentation. So caption are the text version of the spoken part of the television, movie and computer presentation. So if you got to the YouTube, you might see like a little, but I'm see it says like CC, which means closed caption. And if you click on that, it's going to basically just play the text for the particular video. And this is great for the people that are deaf, or you are in a noisy area, so you can't hear, so you can just read the text instead of listening to the audio. And so right in caption, what you will do is we will just listen to a video and then write down what you hear, and that's basically what the job is. So here's another example here on what it look like. So one of the companies that you guys can apply to is called AI Media. Its official website is aimedia.tv. So now the AI Media, they are going to pay you somewhere between $27 and $42 per video. And you can do this from anywhere in the world, and all that's required is just a computer and internet connection. That's it. So let's get over to the website here guys. Alright, so once you guys go to the website, you're going to see the client page. Here this is what the companies and the clients, and this is the page they are going to see. Now company will hire AI Media for transcription services, and after they submit their video to AI Media, then a freelancer like you and me then watch the video and then write the captions for it. So right on the front of the website, you guys can learn more about it here, but they have been a legitimate company. And if you guys come here in the job section area and click on that, that will take you over to this page, and you guys can read about more how much they can pay and what type of work you can do and where you can work. Mostly this is anywhere in the world. They just can give you all the details here on this page, and when you guys are ready to go, all you need to do is just click on the become a closed captioner button, and they are going to ask you for a first name, email address, and then just you make an account and then go through the application process from there. So guys, that's how it works. Now let's go back over, and I want to share with you another company which is called CrowdSurf. Its official website is crowdsurfwork.com, and you can find this and apply. You can go to the CrowdSurf work, and once you do that, that's going to take you to this website right here. So CrowdSurf is a nutshell. Basically, their whole mission is to solve media challenges for a deaf and for the hard of hearing, and also for the second language viewer. Alright, so second language viewer. And so you can read a little bit more about it here. Great company to work from and vent it. And if you guys, when you know more about it, just click on the right here with his and get started. This will take you to the work marketplace, and this is where you guys can apply. In here, right here they are seeking at the moment just English speaking individuals, must be detailed, were registered or don't have to have any typing skills or anything like that for one of these transcriptions website. You just have to know a basic typing skills. Of course, the faster you can type, the probably the more money you can make and more money you can earn. And guys, they are paying you anywhere from 3 to 20 cents per minute, okay, instead of and per hour. So you can see the fast you can type, the probably the more they can pay you and the more you can receive. So guys, when you guys are ready, you can apply it as a company or as an individual. So you can apply it from here. Its official website is crowdsurfwork.com. So guys, these are the websites you can try, but guys, at last you can still trading time for money. And if you would like to learn how to generate a full-time passive income online without trading time for money, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from zero to $1,000 a day step by step. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to start an online business. So guys, if you like this video, click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel right now, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video.